Welcome to Sara Cooks for You. Today I'm making a very high energy protein drink that is really very simple to make at home. For this we are using a special ingredient that's roasted gram or putane. These are an outstanding source of folate, protein, dietary fiber, copper, phosphorus, manganese and iron. So this is a very important additive to our protein milkshake. First we'll grind this to a powder so that it becomes easy for us to mix with the other ingredients. I've soaked figs overnight in water. You can also soak it in milk. If you're using milk, you can add the milk along with the figs. In this recipe, I've used 3 figs, and along with this, I'll be adding 4 dates. I've removed the seeds from them. These are a natural sweetener and you don't need to add any additional sugar because bananas, figs, dates are all sweet. But if you do require more sweetness, you can add in some honey. I've soaked about 12 to 15 almonds and peeled them, and we'll add that also to the blender. And we'll be using 2 bananas for this recipe. Make sure they are ripe. The riper they are, the more nutritious they are. So we'll add 2 of them to the blender. And we'll add in about 500 ml of milk. In total, I've used 500 ml of milk. I've added some first. We'll grind it. Once it forms a smooth drink, the dates and figs have been ground well, we'll add in some more milk and pulse it again. It's as simple as this, and our nutritious, high energy, high protein drink is ready to be served. You don't need to buy any store-bought protein drinks. You can make these at home so easily, and they are without any preservatives. You can serve them to adults or kids. I'm sure they'll all love them. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section if you liked it.